Menteri Rambak ke Jylla Conrad Sangma mentaka sngi khat sautrik ula pelat ba ya ka kali kit Nongpang lingba ka Chief Minister Special Development Fund kabala pelong Hasin Jones Whitehall Dumdum nong thamai Shillong ha ka te ka jingalang la dan lang ru ka MLA ka laim khra ka kong ampri lingdo MDC na nong thamai uba latip lang khar ka ngor MDC na laim khra malki uba Fantin Joseph Lakadong badu MLA barim ka nong thamai uba Jeminu Mautho
thank the locality and the entire Dorbar and the people of not just Dumdum locality but the entire Shillong city who have contributed and worked during the COVID time to really face the pandemic, and without the help of the community we would not have been able to take care of things the way we did. So I would like to put it on record once again the work of the community leaders, and once again thank all the locality leaders for their support and the efforts that they made during the pandemic. And once again would like to dedicate this very small but a very meaningful small ambulance to the people of Dumdum and the entire area as a whole. And I wish the managing committee who will be managing it the very best, and once again would like to request that let us use this in the best possible way to give the best service to the people of the locality. Thank you very much.